Today is my first day at this startup where I am doing a job as a robotic software engineer. I am excited to. You might be thinking that I will go to the company and all the things will be in a smooth manner, very comfortable and all those things. But ऐसा नहीं है मुन्ना. It is not going to happen, you know. But to get started as a robotics engineer and how will be my experience and all those things. The main part about the IBCD is like about the journey and my experience about day-to-day experiences. Okay, so first of all, the bus journey part. See, the bus journey was not really comfortable. It was really hectic because I almost traveled to the company for 1 month. Actually, it is not a very, very big time because many people travel for years and years. But I traveled for 1 month and got to experience like it's really messed up, you know. You don't get a vacant seat. You have to do your journey by standing, and almost I traveled every day for 4 to 5 hours. That's the worst case because I used to get up early in the morning, 6 a.m. and then by getting ready I used to get my bus around at 9:30 a.m. and then I used to reach to the office at 11 a.m. So that was my routine in the morning. Then after my office hours I used to get the bus again back to the bus at 5 p.m. and sometimes the bus was on time, sometimes it was late, because both the times, like the office in time and out time, was the rush hours for the public transport. I know we should not complain about the things that we do, but I'm intentionally recording this video because the thing is that if we don't record our journey, who else is going to record it, right? So that's one point. Let's move to the next part. The next part is about the like sometimes about the bus journey part is about traffic, you know. The traffic is the main part, and one of the day was I got stuck into the traffic for 7 hours. The bus was stopped and I got out of the bus because the bus was into the traffic for 3 hours. Then I decided on myself like I should get out of the bus and travel on my own because there was some reason, because the traffic was not going to open for next 3 hours. So that was the reason. And then I got out of the bus. So ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करने का मेरा इंटेंशन अल्टीमेटली ये था कि like we should accept the challenges as it is. Like we get some challenges, we get some things to learn. So वो जो challenges है वो हमें accept करने चाहिए. मुझे भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने पहले बस ट्रैवलिंग नहीं किया है, मैंने बस ट्रैवलिंग किया है, बट फॉर द लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम मैंने बस ट्रैवलिंग नहीं किया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर अ मंथ. ओके, सो वो एक बात है लाइक चैलेंजेस की. तो मुझे कुछ नया सीखने को मिला. और एक बात थी कि लाइक आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो जब मैंने अपना रूम ट्रांसफ़र किया, देन ऑल्सो आई गॉट चैलेंजेस लाइक द ओनर डिडंट इवन try to clean the complete flat. So I have to again look into that. So that's the part. You don't know from where the challenges are going to come. So IBCD is nothing but Indian born confused desi. Okay, I'm going to like extend this series further. This was one of the video from that IBCD part, but I think I should like make some more videos related to this. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and yeah, let's grow, learn and explore together.